Oh, Kamen Riders, Kamen Rider ZEZTZ, baby, let's go! Did I do it good? Did I do it good? Yeah, look at this right here. DX. What the heck is this thing called? ZEZTZ Driver 4-form change set. Ooh, pretty. So, yeah, we picked this up. And it's just a beautiful thing. We haven't even opened it up and it already looks beautiful. A few things that we got, some freebies. I did reserve this at Toys R Us, Japan. And in return, I did get a couple of freebies. So first up, we got this card thing. That's fun. That's cool. When I first got this, I was like, oh no, are they going to do the same thing that they're doing with Sentai at Toys R Us, where they're giving out those free cards every, once in a while? But I don't think, I don't think that's the case, because I think this is just a Kamen Rider ZEZTZ promotion thingy. So that's good, but it has all the forms on the back, right? That's cool. And of course, we got our pre-order bonus items, right? We got the very adorable Kamen Rider ZEZTZ Gochizo that was featured in the finale of Kamen Rider Gavv. Oh, spoiler alert. And we also got the Gochizo Capsum. So that's fun. We'll take a look at these, of course, in their respective drivers. But right now, this very beautiful thing, we got ourselves the ZEZTZ Driver right here. Oh my goodness gracious, so pretty with the lights and everything. Oh my goodness, I'm excited to see those lights. We got the 4 forms here, right? We got the main form, his Physicam form, and then his alternate 3 forms right here. We got the 4 capsums that come with this thing. Now, there's a few different ways to get this. You can just get the driver and the Physicam capsum by themselves in a set together. If you don't want the extra capsum, which I don't know why you wouldn't, right? I mean, they're really cool, really pretty. And then there's this set, which is the 4-form change set. And there is a Toys R Us exclusive set that comes with the what is that thing called? ZEZTZ Breaker something. It's the sword. But yeah, bam, there you go. Very, very nice. On the sides here, we got ourselves Kamen Rider ZEZTZ. Very, very cool looking. On this side, another picture of Kamen Rider ZEZTZ with his other 3 forms: Technolum Stream, Esprim Recovery, and Paradigm Wonder. Very interesting names, right? And then on the back, of course, the usual, right? What the driver does, what it says, right? And on top, another, some more very nice pictures. Kamen Rider ZEZTZ. I really like this kind of design that they got going on. The driver, capsum, bam. Right there. Let's open this baby up. Let me know in the comments if you are picking up this very beautiful driver. Also, we will have a toy hunt. We will have a toy hunt for all of the Kamen Rider ZEZTZ stuff. It might be a couple of days before that comes out. I just really wanted to get this video out because I know y'all want to see the ZEZTZ driver. And I want to see the ZEZTZ driver, to be honest. I want to just play with this thing. Let's see here what we got. Okay, so this has to be the driver. These are probably the caps. Ooh, look at that. It's pretty. Ooh, let's check out the capsum first. Let's do that. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. So we got our new gimmick item, right? For ZEZTZ. Oh, look at the little thing. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, yeah, you can see. Look at that. Look at. Ooh, that's fun. I like the little moving picture. That's fun. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, That's cool. Oh, these are gonna be fun. Wow. Okay, and then yeah, it's. I guess this is kind of like a reader, kind of. I guess. So that the belt knows what what you're putting in. Oh, I just noticed. I guess this Zet's eyes, right? That's cool. Wow. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, this is the Physicam, right? Physicam Impact not Gochizo. Speaking of Gochizo, Capsum, that's what I want. Here's a size comparison. All right, bam, there you go. Not too different in size. I mean, when it's open, obviously, but when closed, right? It's not too different. Next is the Technolom Stream Capsum. Okay. Interesting. Get a little alien dude in there. Ooh. Oh. That's fun. I like, yeah, I guess that's eyes up there. That's pretty cool. Man, yeah. Very simplistic designs, but no, they're really cool. I mean, like the animation inside is really cool. Really cool idea to have almost like a picture book-esque type of animation. This one is what's the name of this one? Esprim Recovery. Okay. Interesting. Wow. Wow. Okay. Nice. And last, but certainly not least, we have Paradigm Wonder. I think that's got to be my favorite name out of all of them. Paradigm Wonder. Ooh, what's this? Who dat little guy? Oh, he gets big. Oh, that's fun. Hold on, let's see. Oh. That's awesome. I love these things. Nice. Our 4 Capsum right here. And then we got the Gochizo one, of course. Since we're here, might as well open it, right? Let's open the Gochizo Capsum. They both come in the same bag here. But there you go. Bam! Hey! Gochizo, look at that little boy! Look at the little thing. Gummy. Okay. Yeah, that's fun. Gummy. Oh, and he's waving his arms around just like how he does in the show, right? Oh, that's fun. And the plastic is like a Kira Clear type of plastic too. So if you can kind of tell the difference there, right? Here's the Gochizo one, and here's the Physicam Impact. Yeah. Got the shine to it on this one, on the red. Okay. Nice. All right, so yeah, now we got 5 Capsum. Okay, ZEZTZ Driver time. Ooh, oh. Okay. Ooh. You have to rip the plastic? How do you get... Oh, yeah, I guess you could just unbuckle it. Huh? Oh, it's like a seat belt, like the driver, right? Oh, that's fun. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Wow, look at the... Oh, it's upside down. Here we go. Wow. This is fun. I mean, definitely smaller than... like recent. Actually, let's get our Gavv driver, our belt, whatever, because we're gonna need it anyways for our ZEZTZ Gochizo. But here's the Gavv belt, and here's the ZEZTZ driver. I mean, yeah, it's it's small. It's small compared to, comparatively. It's just not as bulky. That's what it is. It's not as bulky. So, very interesting though. I like it. I like the sleekness of it. It's nice. It's definitely reminiscent of honestly, it reminds me of the Sentry driver from Revice, Kamen Rider Sentry. But I mean, that one's also based off of the original belt. So, I mean, but anyways, very cool. I guess you can't take off the straps. That's interesting. Has there ever been a main rider belt where you can't take off the straps? I'm talking main rider belt. Let me know in the comments because I don't know. Wow, this is interesting. Very interesting. So we got the clear parts, right? So the light should kind of shine. It's going to shine here, but then it should kind of go through this and make this look like it's lighting up too. Lots of clear parts, right? We got the green here. Very nice. I like the green clear parts here. I like this green paint, kind of shiny paint that they got going on in the middle. Translucent green here. And then, yeah, this is like a seat belt, like I said. That's fun. I like that. Let me see. Can I do it? No. Oh, I'm doing it wrong here. There you go. Boop, like that. That's fun. Wow. Okay. Well, oh, we need to put batteries in. Okay, batteries are in. You need 3 AAA batteries. And the on switch is back here. So we're gonna turn around. Actually, let's buckle this up. We're gonna buckle that up. And of course we're gonna wear it. We're gonna wear it. I don't usually wear belts, but like this is a special exception, especially since it should be much easier to put on. But yeah, we'll do that. So don't you worry. But first, let's just try it out like this. Let's see. Let's turn it on. Oh, I don't want to cover it. Oh, whoa. That was actually... Wait, that was actually really cool. Let's see that one more time. Does it shine? Can it shine through the... through this part? Let's see. Can't really tell. Maybe because the lights are on. Or I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to be when you henshin. But yo, those lights are nice. Wait, hold on. One more time. Ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Okay, I see you. Okay, now we gonna henshin now. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. Okay, so you want to put like obviously this part goes inside. Ooh. Okay. Look at that. I like the standby sound. Okay. Very nice. Okay, so then we do this. I'm on it. Henshin! Oh, that's awesome! Good morning, right? Or no, is this a Rider? No, wait. Yeah, good morning, Rider, or whatever it says. I like that it says good morning. If you don't know, because you know, you should know. Well, ZEZTZ is an agent that goes into people's dreams. So yeah, that's pretty. Oh, that's so sick, dude. Oh, that's sick. Okay. We're gonna press this down 3 times. Banish! Okay, so we got 1 attack, and then we're gonna have like now we got a super finisher. We gotta press this down 4 times. Notice how it kind of charges up. That's sick. This is sick. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. Wait, I want to see, does anything happen if you do like once? Oh. Oh, okay. So even if you do one, probably two, I would imagine. Also, it does the same sound as what you would do with three. That's interesting. Why did they advertise it as three then? I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, still cool. Whatever. It's still freaking awesome. Yo, that's something that the Gavv belt was missing, and like the Gochizo, I guess. Like you only got two sounds from the Gochizo. You know, like it was just the transformation and then the attack or the finisher or whatever, which, you know, I mean, the sounds are good though. Like I really like the voices coming from the Gochizo and everything, and the sounds and everything, but like, yeah, that's I always felt that was missing from the Gavv belt. But I mean, the Gochizo are the Gochizo though, so you know, you know, it's okay, I guess. But this is really good. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to. Yes. Oh, okay, so I guess when you just turn it, that's what it does. Okay, cool. I like this. I like this a lot. You can kind of see the light's not very good. Here, actually, let me try with the light. Heroes of Fandom After Dark. No, I'm just kidding. But let's try it. Let's just do like one of the finishers. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You can tell. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, fancy. So to take it out, you press the top here, boop, and you do that. Okay, next, let's try Technolom. I like the grungy kind of rock vibe they got going on. That's cool. Press it down once. Ooh. I like that. Henshin. Ooh, that's good. That's good. I like that standby sound a lot. That's really good. Okay, let's try attack. Okay, so it seems like the finishers are going to be fairly the same. I think it's saying Nova Banish. I think. That's sick, though. That's sick. And then if you just turn it, or spin it. Oh, man, that's cool. This is cool. This is so cool. Oh, man, this driver is too cool. What the heck? What the heck? They were cooking over there, man. They were cooking over there at Bandai. Okay, let's try Esprim Recovery. Oh. Oh. Interesting. Henshin! What the heck was that? What was that? What on earth was that? Good morning, writer. Oh my goodness. Goes from like the grungy rock to what the heck that was. All right. Oh yeah. Hooey. Oh my goodness, yo, oh my gosh, yo. The lights in this, absolutely amazing. The sounds are really creative. Man, they did wonders with this one. Okay, speaking of wonders, Paradigm Wonder. Let's try it. If I could put it in. There you go. I like how the standby colors are the same as the previous capsum that you put in before. That's pretty cool. But then when you do this, changes color. Wow! I love how all of them have like a different genre to them. That's so cool. Henshin! Oh my goodness, this is so goofy and I love it. Oh my gosh. DX. I love that. So you can adjust it, right? I have the strap like all the way at the end here. Let's see if I can fit this thing. So it goes this way, I believe. Oh my gosh. This thing, like it's already right at the end there. I don't think I could adjust it anymore. So that's how it's gonna look on me. I'm on it. Henshin! 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 Alright, okay, now we gotta try our Gochizo. Oh wait, that's not it. Our Gochizo Capsum. Of course, we got to, right? Okay. Henshin. Nah, that is clever. That's so smart because obviously the Zets, you know, like there's no Zets sound in the Gavv belt, right? It wasn't programmed in there, obviously. But they put it in this driver. They put that sound in this driver. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, they're so smart. Oh my goodness, they gotta do this more often. What the heck? That is genius. What? Oh my, Bandai, y'all cooking. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Gochizo. I like that. Oh my god. Oh, dude. Yo, this. Oh, I love this. I love this thing a lot. Let's check out our ZEZTZ Gochizo. Ding. Very adorable. Very beautiful. All right. Got ZEZTZ right there. Let's see. Hey, there he is. There's the boy. Look at him. Look at the two boys. We got the two boys. Bam, right there. Very cool. Nice. My 156th Gochizo. Go check out our giant Gochizo collection video. But yeah, there you go. There's another one for the collection, for the pile. Very cool though. I like this guy. Okay, of course we're gonna try him out in our Gavv belt. It's probably just gonna, I mean, it's just definitely just gonna make a, what was it, new rider sound or something? I don't know. Let's find out together here on Heroes of Fandom. Henshin! Oh, did it say let's ride? Get it. Just get it. All right? I don't have to tell you again. Just... this is an amazing toy. I love this belt. Oh my gosh. I think, honestly, I might like this a little more than the Gavv belt. Just a little more. I mean, oh gosh. Because it's just, you know, having that extra sound really helps. And, I don't know. This is fun. The lights are really nice. Like, super ridiculously nice. And it's just a lot of fun. It's very easy to play with, very simple, not overly complicated. You don't have to do a whole bunch of stuff to the belt. You just, you know, you put the thing in and you do the thing and then you spin it. It's a fun time. Yeah, just get it, buy it. Thank you all so much, everyone, for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Follow us on our social media dashboards below. We also have a Discord, so make sure to flex your toys, collectibles, your ZEZTZ drivers, capsums, if you have them. And we will see you all next time.